Hi, this is Christine Deegan with Coldwell Banker Real Estate Group. I'm here in one of the most spectacular homes I've ever been in my 14-year career as a real estate agent. This is 2636 Good Shepherd Lane in Green Bay. Thanks for watching. If you'd like an in-person tour of this amazing home, head to ChristineDeegan.com. Now, I for one couldn't resist baking in this amazing kitchen, and I promise I will leave these for the sellers. Well, most of them, because I happen to know that my photographer absolutely loves cookies. So it's time for a cookie cheers. Oh, amazing.